Hi guys, I am so excited to finally edit this video and put it out there for you guys. This was made in July 2021. It's been a long time in the making. I wanted to go over exactly how I style curly hair. My clients that come in who don't want to straighten their hair and put those looser curls in, this is exactly how I style the hair. So the first thing I put in her hair was a heat protectant spray. I make sure to saturate every single layer just like we do with any sort of product on hair that we would be otherwise styling. And I am just scrunching it through, making sure the hair feels nice and moisturized. And then the second thing I'm going to put in there is a curl defining spray as well. Same thing, I'm lifting up all the layers, making sure that I saturate her hair with the product, and then make sure to really feel it in there, right? You don't want to leave any dry areas. Okay, so the next step will be to grab a Hot Tools curling iron in the 1/2 inch size. I have found that this looks the most natural on my naturally curly clients, and you can curl in opposite directions all throughout the head to give it some extra volume. And honestly, just kind of follow the client's natural curl patterns. Naturally, curls don't all go in one direction, so you can pick and choose the pieces that look better going in one direction or the other. Just use your artistic eye. Generally speaking, I use my judgment, but I will go layer by layer from the top to the bottom as opposed to the bottom to the top like I usually do when we do softer curls after a client has come in with a blown out head of hair. So I will just slowly, curl, add volume, and shine throughout the top layer of hair and leave the bottom natural so that it doesn't look overdone. That's extremely important. When working with naturally curly girls, they want to just look like themselves, but just a little bit more enhanced. Just kind of going over the curls that might look a little too straight, because most curly girls will straighten their hair at some point and they have lost the natural curl patterns a little bit and they just want it to be enhanced. I actually love the creative freedom that comes with, styling curly hair in this way. And so I'm just going to quickly go over the entire top layer, like I said, turn her as necessary, and just finish this off. The method is exactly the same with curling hair with a smaller barrel as it is with a larger barrel. I make sure to start at the middle of the hair, add heat through the center and top, and then adjust the hair along the barrel just to make sure I get all the ends in there as well, and then release. I'd say about same thing, maybe 3 to 4 seconds. You really don't need to give a lot of heat to curly hair. It is really, really easy to work with. You'll see me doing the opposite curl patterns, just like I said in the beginning of the video, and just kind of fluffing with my fingers to adjust the volume. You won't need to comb through with an actual brush or comb. That's completely unnecessary. Just slightly fluffing with fingers is good enough. All right, guys, here's the final look. Look how much volume and curl and shine we get just from a couple of easy steps. Super easy. Love it.